Hi, boys and girls. It's time for Sounds with Mr. Slates. We're going to begin with our alphabet song again, but with a twist. In every row on your screen, one letter is not going to reveal itself, so we have to remember the sound that comes next. Do it with me the first time, and the second time, you get to do it on your own. Are you ready? A, B, K, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, O, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right. Do you see how one letter did not reveal itself? And we had to remember the sound. Now it's your turn. Do you think you can do it on your own? I'll sing with you, but not the sounds. Here we go. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Great job. All right, let's do our second sound activity. Something looks different. That's because there's a new twist for our second sound activity, too. I'm going to say a word, you echo the word, and then we're going to take off the second part of the word and say what's left. But on some of our screens, both words are represented by a dot, not a picture. So we have to remember what that word is. Let me show you an example. Say skyline. Without line, what's left? It was the word sky. All right, this one has a picture. Your turn. Say landslide. Without slide, the word is land. Good job. Say cardboard. Without board, the word is card. Say grapevine. Without vine, the word is grape. Ooh, this one has no picture. You have to remember. Say blindfold. Without fold, the word is blind. Say scarecrow. Without crow, the word is scare. Say seesaw. Without saw, the word is see. Uh-oh, this one you have to remember. Say raincoat. Without coat, the word is, did you say rain? If you did, you were right. Last one, say snowflake. Without flake, the word is snow. Great job. Let's go on to our third sound activity called blending. Remember, when we blend sounds together, we make real words. I'm going to bring back Mario today to help us. But today he's feeling very, very tired. It's kind of a dreary day outside. So he wants me to do the sounds, and he's going to guess what word I'm saying. And you can do the same. Are you ready to see Mario? Hi, Mario. Hi. All right. I'm going to say the sounds. Mario, you try to guess what word I'm saying. And you too, boys and girls. Are you ready? Here we go. What word am I trying to say? Blend the sounds together to figure it out. Us. Us. What am I saying, Mario? Us. Pretty good. Let's try the next one. Here we go. Wa-e. Wa-e. We. Good job, Mario. I'm saying we. Next one. Ya-oo. ooh, ya, ooh. You. I'm saying you. Two more. Here we go. Is. Is. I'm saying is. Nice job, Mario. Last one. D. Ooh. D. Ooh. What word am I saying? Do. I'm saying do. Great job, Mario and boys and girls. All right, that's all we have for sounds today. Mario and I say goodbye and see ya.